Yeah, Carlos was asking if this, if the upper brace for the alternator goes in the front or the back of the alternator. I wasn't sure, so I had to stop the recording, look at my photos in my phone, and see the truth. This bolt is the correct size bolt. I don't understand. But hell, there's a reason for everything. There's a reason why God had me come here. And this Gorilla Tape, I can actually remove this. Let me get out of this way here. Yeah, it's a beautiful place over here. Mucho tostones. I'm gonna get the correct fuel line for this also. This is all body shop, but for here, I'm gonna get the correct fuel line that actually contorts much closer to the actual brace. I'm kind of tired of this. I'm gonna have it looking beautiful. God's will. Let me pull that post that way. That's okay like that? Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you. Let's see if I can get a nice thumbnail photo for this video. Here we go. I think I'll use this photo right here for the thumbnail. There went my Gorilla Tape. I could not get the bolt out. I don't know why, guys. Don't laugh. My tranny builder Tyrone couldn't get it out either. This thing here. Party is over. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Carlos is the man. All right, I'm gonna start it up and see if it squeals. Hello. Keys. My keys. Turbines to power, power to speed. Sounds familiar? Batman and Robin. Batman and Robin. Dash cam. Dash cam. That's not wanted to see if it squealed. Yes, sir. That bad exhaust leak. I sand these down again. I'm gonna repaint them. Let this run. Yep. I'm gonna repair that. I'm gonna replace the nut. I'm sorry, not the nut. I'm gonna replace the bolt, the stud in here myself. I was checking out some YouTube videos and help from guys on Facebook. Buick 400, 430 to 455, all performance group by Eric Albino. That's my boy. So I'm gonna take care of this in my house. Blase. Let this warm a little, and when I finish this video, I think I'll head over to Meineke and ask him, would he have a problem changing these header gaskets? Because I have bad leak over there, super bad leak over here. Fans. All right, that's it. This is over. Thank you guys for your time, views, comments, especially your help. Thank you very much. Peace.